Today we're going to program your Homelink garage door opening system in your 718. Now this works for 2017 all the way to 2025 models. Before you begin the Homelink configuration process, make sure your vehicle is on to the first position, which means everything on but the vehicle is not on, and make sure the parking brake is on as well before you begin. To program the Homelink, you hold down the button. You'll see a slow blink here. You have 5 minutes to go to the front of the vehicle and program. Okay, so we're going to go around to the front of the car and we're going to focus in this area right here. You're going to hold down the button and wait for the blinkers to blink. Outstanding. We're all set to go program the garage. Okay, so we're here in the garage with our garage door unit. Now you may have a unit on the wall here, but you may need to program on the actual garage door opener unit. Make sure you check out your instruction manual for those instructions. Now here, we're going to select menu. We're going to go down to program, enter, and we're going to go down to remote. Now it may say learn, it may say program, it may say a wide variety of different things. For this, we're going to select enter. Now I've got 30 seconds to get to the vehicle to synchronize the two. Okay, now we're going to hit the button and see if we're all synchronized. And there it goes. Worked on the first time. You now have configured your Homelink garage door opening system in your new 718.